So today's video, you can see we got the money light back on the dash of the Bentley. We're going to hook up the VCDS system. So this is the first time we've done it since we installed the new software. So it's asking for a config file. To do this, we have to plug in the USB lead that comes with the VCDS lead and then press test. It looks to check that the port is working. When it's happy with it, it'll say OK, and then we'll click save to save a config file so that the next time we plug it in, it doesn't have to do that again. Next job is to get under the driver's side footwell and find the ODB2 port, which is quite hard to get to and feels very flimsy, but if you get in there okay, you'll notice that the light changed green there, and it's time to scan and find out what's going on with the car. Hope this was helpful to you. If it was, please click subscribe, like and share it to anybody else who's either VW, Audi or Bentley suffering in this way.